under maintenance, so it's okay. The old one's still good. It still has bedroom. So if you and me were tired, we just take a nap, okay? You really think I want to be socialized with all these girls, these guys? Not really. But it's fine, because like on a Saturday night, I've I'm drunk, so Sunday morning noon is perfect time for hangover on the yacht. It's like, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be talking too much to people. I'm just gonna say hi quickly, hi, 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 and then I just took a nap. Then we go back home. Nice. Can't wait. Anita Maxwin. Yes, ma'am. What's your name? Elliot. Are you really 22? That's impressive. Yeah, party jealous. No, it's not. It's not really party. But of course, for males, Adam's fellow, you guys will be drinking, talking with girls, because funny story. The owner of the yacht is my friend. Um, yeah, I don't want to say the detail, but it's just crazy. So you basically say, yeah, bring girls too, like, probably maximum 15 people, but yeah, hopefully less than that, because I don't really like when there's too much people, because I don't know, man. Like, I'm not shy, but also at the same time, I can get overwhelmed easily when it's too much people in a small boat. And I'm gonna be most of the time just taking a nap, because I'll be a hangover. I know I'll be hangover. Because the night before I'll be hosting a party, because I'm the host. Not here, in the restaurant. I don't want to get laid. Okay? I save my virginity for my future husband. I think he's gonna come this year. Man, I don't know. I'm so scared. Oh, half naked chicks on a boat. Fuck yes. Yeah. That's the thing, okay? It's so bad, the heat wave right now. And I don't think there will be a girls fully naked, or like a topless bikini on a yacht, because it's super, super hot. No one wants to be sunburned or be, overcooked. Virgin, you? Sure, lol. Who says I'm virgin? I'm not virgin. I just said I just wanna keep my coochie coochie for my future husband. Okay? I'm not virgin anymore. Okay, what should I order for something sweet? I have my milkshake. No, not milkshake. Protein shake. Have to go. Bye. Bye. Hopefully there is no such drama,